guys and girls, how's it going? It's only blooming Saturday. We've only got to go for Andrea's MOT. Will it pass or will it not? It better. It's brand spanking new.
Well, it's not brand spanking new, it's 3 years old, which is why I've got to get MOT, but...
It's better though, I'll put some colour back in it. Does that look quite real? Like for colour match?
Yeah.
Like that's like what you're seeing with your eyes, isn't it?
Maybe a little bit duller.
Yeah, but I'd rather it be duller than too bright because it looks fake. Playing with settings, what? And just playing with settings too. I don't think you need a certificate these days. Oh, there's one there. Ta-da! That passed.
Didn't realise my chair was so far back.
She just got in there and nearly fell in the back seat because of the stairs moved. So we're back home. Got coffee. Laptop's on, ready to do an edit. Andrea's about to go out to see her nan. I've got so much still to do. I didn't get onto outlining the t-shirts yesterday. I didn't get to play the guitar yesterday. I didn't get the airsoft equipment away yesterday, and I didn't manage to repair the gun yesterday. But I did get some t-shirts sprayed. I did get the edit done. And yeah, that's about it. Got to get on this, got to get this done, got to get so much done. I'll shopping later. Yeah. I blame Ben Gravy. That was my Instagram post for the pineapples, and now I blame him again because the podcast he's putting out on YouTube are awesome, and it's just cane loads of my time. So it's all your fault, but I appreciate the hell out of it because it's really interesting to watch. And if you haven't watched him, go and check out his other channel, which is Fully Nuking, which is Ben Gravy channel, but it's his second channel, and it's awesome. Go check it out. I got to finish an edit and do something because all I've done this morning is, other than go and get the MOT done with Andrea, sit and watch videos, which is not good because I've got to be making them, not watching them. So many other things I've got to be doing as well. Not good. Let's do this. Let's get on with it. Get the edit done. Got to chop that down from 15. So, videos on YouTube ready for 6 o'clock. T-shirts, cold salt water, set the ink. Washing machine, finished. Got a load of tumble dryer. Then hopefully Andrea will be back. We'll go do the shopping. And I really wanted to get home and premiere the video for Saturday night. Don't think it was going to happen though. We'll see. Was it premiered? I don't know. Talking to future selves is just crazy. Proper steaming, literally. Steamy. Not the sneeze, obviously, but the philosophy that is the dream. Do you know what I mean? It doesn't matter how big or small it is. It's what gets you through the day.
You know, I've done, I've treated the bird a little bit.
Have you?
I've put the bird seed on, then I put like a little layer of peanuts in, then I put some more bird seed on top, and I put another layer of peanuts.
Okay.
It's like a bird seed trifle.
I miss having house phones, so I can't phone people up and just heavy breathe down the phone.
You can do it on mobile phones.
Yeah, don't have the same feel to it.
Withhold your number.
No, because it doesn't disturb people as much as it used to. You used to have to actually get up and get your phone.
Yeah, fair enough.
Yeah, and that was the disturbance, man.
So but you actually used to do that?
No, I didn't.
Oh, they do.
That ain't bad. It's not bad. Oh no, man. I don't know if I'm going to get a coffee because we've come here, because this place closes early, man. You might have stitched me up for my Tesco's coffee, dude.
Anything more head and shoulders?
I think I do, actually. What was the one that I got the last time?
I don't know, I can't remember. You got
Just go.
spice bait one, or you got infused with sea minerals.
Sea minerals, done.
Yeah.
Yeah, man. It's got sea minerals in it. It's got to be a winner, isn't it?
Get some toothpaste.
We can get some more toothpaste. I was going to say, if you wanted, you could try my Oral-B.
I think it's just Oral-B in general. I don't think it's particularly nice.
Fair enough. Hating on the Oral-B.
I just, yeah.
Not feeling it.
Not feeling that.
Fair enough. Right, we're doing the shopping, guys. I'll catch up with you at home. Because it's just the shopping after all, isn't it, Andrea?
Yes.
Just the shopping.
You're going to be good with
Yeah, we'll give it a shot.
They're quite, how heavy that was?
I need one to stick a cup in. Dude, I'm going to boss it.
They're all pretty heavy.
Yeah, don't worry. Give me them handles.
Got camera and everything.
Got camera, got shopping bags. Huh?
Don't take this.
Yeah, don't worry about me.
Well, I opened the door so you could get through.
Yeah, you opened the door so I couldn't get through. Because I was just pincered. I'd pincered it.
I stood in the way, you stood in the way, and I didn't open the door. And then I opened the door, you wouldn't open the door. I can't bloody win with you, can I?